Justice delayed is not always justice denied, but sometimes it sure does keep the country guessing. Alright, let's dive into this developing legal saga that's kept everyone on edge, from Waigani to Wewak. So here's the latest from the courtroom. Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika has just ruled against the no case to answer submission filed by Jacob Yafai's lawyer, Edward Sassignon. But wait, it's not a full rejection. The Chief Justice basically said, hold up, we're not done hearing both sides yet. Because right now, the court has only heard evidence from the state. The defense hasn't presented any of its own witnesses yet, and until that happens, there's no weighing of evidence. What does this mean? It means the trial continues. A new date has been set, June 2nd, 2025. That's when we'll hear if Yafai and his team actually bring in any witnesses. But here's a twist. Right after the ruling, lawyer Sassignon told the court that Yafai will exercise his right to remain silent. Bold move. Now, for those of you just joining in, let me bring you up to speed. Jacob Yafai, former Deputy Finance Secretary, is charged with 4 counts each of misappropriation, abuse of office, official corruption, conspiracy to defraud, all tied to a massive 41.88 million kina payment made to Paraka Lawyers between 2012 and 2013. And yes, this is all part of the now infamous Paraka Saga that rocked PNG's political and legal circles. The trial began in March. Key witnesses took the stand, including Miriam Kias, former Deputy Secretary of Justice, who said the payment forms were unlawful, Detective Sergeant Basi Sopada, who arrested Yafai and detailed how the case unfolded. But get this, some key witnesses like former Solicitor General Neville Devitt resides in Australia in fear after exposing the corruption, and former Finance Secretary Stephen Gibson have passed away. Their previous statements stirred legal debate over fairness. Should dead men's words still count in court? Now, let's not forget how this case tangled up with politics. Former Attorney General Karinga Kua testified under oath using the word scam to describe the Paraka payments. He even mentioned James Marape's name, repeating what the late Dr. Lawrence Kalino allegedly told him. That mention led to media chaos. The Post-Courier ran a headline that suggested PM Marape pressured finance officials. Marape hit back hard, accusing them of fake news and threatening legal action. Eventually, the Post-Courier issued a clarification and apology, stating they didn't mean to defame the Prime Minister. So where does this leave us? Yafai says he's staying silent. The court says the show must go on. And the country? Still waiting, still watching. So here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Is Jacob Yafai protecting someone, or just protecting himself? And should the media be held accountable when courtroom words get turned into political headlines? Let's talk about it below. Hit like if you're following the case, subscribe for future updates, and tap that bell so you don't miss what's next on June 2nd. In the court of public opinion, silence can be louder than words. Let's see what happens next.